2018 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, bed liner, security system, fog lights, power windows, CD player, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, off-road package, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, technology package. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.